want you to take a look at this video.
Oh my God! Hey, y'all, come look at this. Yeah. Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, this is exactly what happens in the market. As funny as this may look, this is the reality of Forex trading. Okay, let me tell you what you should do in this particular type of market, because it happens all the time. It is not a lie. It looks like a joke, but it's true. Okay, when the market comes to your entry and didn't pick you, go back, didn't hit your take profit, come back again several times, depending on the time frame. More especially when it is in higher time frame, it means the consolidation that it is forming in lower time frame is very big. You understand? So when this is happening, what the market is doing at that particular time is ranging. It is forming a consolidation, and as it is happening like that, it is creating liquidity below it and liquidity above it. So what does this mean? It means that at that particular moment, your stop loss is at risk, depending on the direction that the market will pick after that. So that is why I always advise, when the market starts consolidating in this form, what you need to do is go back to the market, go back and recheck if you still see what you saw when you entered that trade. Sometimes the market will still continue in your direction. Maybe your analysis is still correct. But at that particular moment, you need to realize that your stop loss is at risk. Because if there should be a sweep of liquidity below before it continues in your direction, it will definitely take you out before it continues in your direction. So what you need to do at that particular time, if it is me, is to come out of that particular trade, then wait for the market to sweep that particular liquidity already created, okay? And then I will enter the market back again and continue in my direction. So you need to be careful in this type of market. But if you check the market again and you no longer see what you saw when you entered that market, just come out of it. Unless what happened in this video will definitely happen to you. That is reality.